My name is Ash Shukla, and I'd like to say namaste and welcome to my video, my friend. In this video, I'm going to be uncovering 3 things that you need, simple things that you need to do a great marketing video like this one and attract abundance through your YouTube channel, and that way you can have everything that you ever wanted, which is consistent cash flow. My friend, all you need is 3 things. One, you need a great camera. Like nowadays any phone has a great camera, so I'm using my iPhone right now, so you can use iPhone. Number 2, what you need is a pivot, so I'm utilizing this particular device called pivot, which is where this particular it's on a stand. And then number 3 that I have here is a nice microphone that's right here, and that particular microphone is a Rode microphone that I'm recording from. And of course the pivot comes with this little remote, and the cool part about this remote is I can go left and right like this. Oops, sorry about that, guys. I can go left and right like that, okay, and that way if I'm turning and really doing it, if I wanted to do some shots in terms of moving shots, I can. So with that in mind, that's all you need, my friend. 3 simple things for you to have some great YouTube videos, so that way you can market yourself and create consistent income. So with that in mind, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you. I love you very much. I look forward to seeing you on the other side.